Hey, yo, welcome back. If you already subscribed to the channel, I just want to say a big shout out to you. And also, please do click the like button, the share button, and also comment down section. We about to watch Big Zulu versus Brian Dings. This is a fight that when Casper Nyovest saw, then he posted and said he's now ready to fight Big Zulu. So let's check this one out.
First round on the way. Check us out. Round number one.
Hey, but Big Zulu does look like he could knock someone out, man. Jeez. Woo! This will be a fight now. Hey, if that landed, it's curtains, boy. Come on now.
Remember, it's heavyweight boxing. One punch can change your fights.
Hey! Biggie! Come on now. This guy's in tears. Fuck. This guy. He's in tears. This guy's in tears. I got my money on Zulu on this one. Yay! Yay! Oh, Biggie! Come on now! Ah, Casper is in for it. Casper is in for it. Fuck! Danko. Hey, but when you get too confident, it becomes a problem. Oh, it's done. Hey, but I told you with one punch, it's curtains. This guy can throw, man. It's like a Mike Tyson punch. Fuck. It's done. Ah. 2 minutes in. Ah, but big out. Nah, shout out Zulu. Nah, shout out Zulu. Ah, but they're playing Zulu Daddy, man. How can they play an Eminem song for his Zulu win? They should have played Imaleni. It would have slept different. But they're playing Eminem. Ah, come on now. Come on now. Come on. I see Legends is there. Yeah, big people put out. I see Zagwe there. Lose yourself, Zulu. Yeah. You only get one shot. No, shout out to Big Zulu, man. I think Casper is in for it. Casper is in for it. You know, it would be lovely though to sit, and I hope Ugotu Casper was being honest when he was saying that he would now step into the ring with the Zulu man. Big Zulu. Shout out, man. Shout out, man. And thank you for watching this video. We out.